Okay guys, we're going to start on our math packet now. So you are going to go ahead and you're going to write your name at the top. First thing that you should always do, write your name at the top. I know whose it is. And today we were talking about reading picture graphs. So we've been talking about tally marks all week and we've been talking about graphs all week. So today we're going to talk about reading picture graphs, okay? So if I'm looking at this, I'm going to count my vegetables, okay? So I'm going to count my carrots. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. I know that I have 4 carrots. So I'm going to put 4 over here, okay? And I know that I have 1 pea pod. So I have 1 pea pod. And then I'm going to count my corns. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we are counting them, and then we are writing the number of how many are there. So now we're going to count all of them to see how many people they surveyed, right? So how many people they asked this question of what their favorite vegetable is. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we're going to write 13 on this line of how many people we surveyed. Okay. We're going to go ahead and open your packet up so that your packet looks like mine. Should be at See and Show, right at the top of See and Show. All right, so it says the pictures on a picture graph tell how many. How many more people ride the bus than walk? Okay, so here is the bus, and here's how many people walk. So they are asking how many more people ride the bus than walk. So we can see from this, if I were to bring these buses down, I'd have 1, 2, 3. So 3 more people ride the bus than walk. Okay, so you can go ahead and trace that 3. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to come down here. Okay, you guys pay attention to this part, okay? It says use the graph to answer the question. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to count these. And it's asking how many people were surveyed in all. So we have to count all of the drinks, okay? And they were doing favorite drinks of chocolate milk, orange juice, and grape juice. So let's go ahead and let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to write a 13. Okay, on the line. Then I'm going to come down here. It says, what drink got the same number of votes as grape juice? So which drink up here has the same amount as grape juice? Is it chocolate milk? No, way too many. What about orange juice? Does orange juice have the same as grape juice? So we are going to write orange on this line because orange has the same as grape juice. Orange. Okay. After you wrote orange, you're going to come down here and it says, do more people like chocolate milk or orange juice? Do more people like chocolate milk or orange juice? So, do more people like chocolate or orange juice? We can see by the amount of chocolate milk curtains that more people like chocolate milk. So I'm just going to have you guys write milk because it's a little bit of a shorter word, right? I'm going to write milk. All right. I'm going to move to our next page. So you're going to flip your packet like a pancake. And you should be on the page at the top where it says on my own. And it has a graph of strawberries, oranges, and apples. All right. All right, so we have strawberries, we have oranges, and we have apples, okay? So I'm going to read these to you, but you're going to fill them out on your own, okay? So pay attention, but if you're looking at the picture graph, you should be able to do this, okay? So it says, how many people chose strawberries for number 4? How many people chose strawberries? You need to count the strawberries and put in this blank, how many people like strawberries? So again, counting the number of strawberries and then putting it in the blank of how many people like strawberries. Number 5 says, did more people choose oranges or apples? So did more people choose oranges or apples? So look for the one that has more. Is it oranges or apples? And if it's oranges, you're going to write oranges. And if it's apples, you're going to write apples. And those words are there for you to help you. Okay. It says, did fewer people choose apples or strawberries? So which one has a fewer amount, a smaller amount? Apples or strawberries? You're going to write which one has a fewer amount, and you're going to put it on the line for number 6. Apples or strawberries? Which one has a smaller amount? Okay, number 7 says, how many more people chose strawberries than oranges? So just like we were talking before on our last page, how many more people chose strawberries than oranges? So count strawberries, count oranges. How many more people chose strawberries than oranges? And you're going to put it on the line for number 7. You should have a number there. Number 8 says, how many fewer people chose apples than oranges? Apples than oranges. So if I were to bring down these numbers, how many fewer people chose apples than oranges? So apples has 1, 2, 3, 3 more than apples. And then at the bottom it says, how many people were surveyed? So you're going to count all of the fruit, and you're going to put that number on number 9. Okay, remember you were doing that part on your own, so if you need to, go back and listen to some of the things that I said. All right, and then our last part up here, it says DeMarcus is counting sports equipment. He counts 14 pieces of equipment in all. How many jump ropes does he count? So it says he counts 14 pieces of equipment in all. So let's count our bikes and soccer balls, okay? So bikes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Soccer balls, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if we have 14, take away 9, how many will we have left? So let's count backwards, okay? We're going to start at 14, and we're going to count back 9, okay? 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So we're going to write 5 jump ropes on the line, the number 5. Okay. You're going to come down here at the bottom, and you do not have to do this problem, so you're going to put an X through it. After you've done with all that, you're going to bring your packet up to me so I can check it. If it is okay, you're going to put it in your mailbox because the last page of your packet is your homework, and then you are going to get on iReady Math. Okay, guys, that's it.